What's up guys, Cool with the Cat Kid here in the Galápagos Islands. Today we are going to see some of the coolest animals in the Galápagos, the birds. We are planning to see multiple species of boobies, as well as frigates, sea lions, gulls, and if we get really lucky, a sea turtle. Enjoy the video. This is like the ultimate. Hey, what's up guys, Cool with the Cat Kid here in the Galápagos for day number 4. We just were at that island seeing the coolest, least afraid birds ever, and now we're here snorkeling or kayaking against the cliffside. It is so cool how flat this water is because these two peninsulas form a basin, and it's just like a bay. It's been such an amazing trip, and just looking at the scenery is so cool. was a much cooler experience than I thought it was going to be. One of my favorite parts of the day was getting to see the sea turtle so close to the kayak. If you thought that was cool, I have a much cooler marine life, including a bigger sea turtle in the next video. So make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss the next episode.